Hey there, in today's tutorial we're gonna create these nails and I'm starting already with the nails pre-buff, pre-shape, and I'm gonna continue with base gel and I'm using the brand iMaily. I purchased this on Amazon.ca, Canada, and I'm curing the base gel for 60 seconds and then I'm gonna be creating the tortoise, I can pronounce that, sorry, design today. I started with this color. It was like a brown, but I made it a little bit lighter by adding a little bit of base gel, and that's the base I need for this design. Then I'm gonna be using today a blooming gel, but before that I was trying just directly on the gel polish without curing it to see what happened, and I failed. I didn't like the way it came out. It was looking more like a cow print, so I decided to just wipe out everything. And I remember that I have one of these. Yes, I failed. I remember that I have one of these bottles from Born Pretty, a blooming gel, and then I cure the base. I apply 2 layers of that beautiful, how do you call it? It's like a semi-transparent color that I created myself. Then I'm applying the blooming gel, and without curing that, with the dotting tool, I'm gonna drop some dots with the black gel polish, and this way is gonna work. This way I like the results. Next, I'm painting the nails in a nude color. I'm using a color from Model Ones, and I'm gonna be posting on the screen all the products that I use. At least you guys will get some useful information watching this video and not only listening to me rumble here. Look how beautiful this color is. I'm gonna be curing each layer for 60 seconds, and once I'm done with this beautiful nude, I'm gonna paint the ring nail in black. I'm gonna be adding some texture to it because I'm gonna be covering the whole nail in a beautiful gold chrome. Chrome attaches very well to black gel polish, and you can do chrome as well with top coat. I'm doing the tortoise design as well on the pinky nail. Hopefully this time I pronounce it correctly. I actually went to Google, when you can type a word on Google and it help you with the pronunciation. That's what I did actually. Tortoise, yeah, I think it sounds good. So this was the second layer for the nude, and now you can see the full color. Very beautiful. On this nail, I'm just gonna create a frame with a black gel polish, and that frame is gonna be as well covered with the chrome powder. I'm gonna be creating some texture on top of the black nail here with the same black gel polish. I'm gonna start with thin lines, and if I wanted to make it thicker, I will apply another layer, but first I'm gonna be curing in between layers because black gel polish take a while to cure properly. If you do like a thick layer, it's gonna be all wrinkly and bumpy, just because black gel polish is more pigmented and it needs a stronger light to cure. Now I'm working on an ombre here in a couple of the nails and gonna repeat multiple layers. So what I'm doing, I keep bringing my hand back into the light for a few seconds to flash cure, and then go ahead and apply the next layer. Because these layers are very thin with the sponge, I need to do that, go back, flash cure it, and apply the next layer. In that way, I will be able to work faster on the ombre. Now I'm just applying the chrome powder on the black gel polish, and as you can see, applies very nicely. I really like it. Once I'm done applying the chrome, I'm going to apply top coat to seal it, because I don't want to bump it by accident and damage the chrome finish. Next, I'm going to apply some rhinestones to this beautiful design that I created here. I'm gonna apply a tiny rhinestone, a little pearl, and some caviar beads. I know I'm applying the rhinestones on top of the top coat directly, but if you want this to last longer, rhinestone gel is recommended. I do have rhinestone gel, but just for the purpose of the design today, I applied the decoration directly on top of the top coat. Today I'm applying top coat as I go. In that way, when I finish, all the nails will be completed. This is a beautiful top coat from Aimeili. On this nail, I'm gonna be creating a flower. I wish I had the molding gel. I think I'm gonna buy that because it's easier to create the 3D flowers. In this case, I'm using a jelly gel polish from Born Pretty with the milky color, and I'm just trying here my best. I think I did a good job for what I have. But next time for sure I'm gonna go shopping and buy the molding gels to make you flowers that are everywhere now. In every design that I see, almost every design that I see that is very popular is one of those flowers that are 3D created with the molding gels. On this nail, I created another 3D flower and I'm gonna give you some details. And I think I like this one better than the first one. Practice makes everything better. So probably next time I will be better at it. Next, I created like a star in the middle of this nail and now I'm just covering it with chrome powder. It's a very cute look. To create this star, you just need like a very fine brush, a liner brush, and that will give you the results when painting a star like this. I finally completed this design. It was very hard to create. Right now I removed the nails from the nail stand and I just check that everything is nice and clean in the bottom, and if I have to file any of the edges I will, just to make sure everything is nice and like the shapes is nice there. And sometimes gel as well runs to the side, and that's the purpose of filing the press-ons on the bottom. I'm gonna mount it on this case that I have for press-on nails. I'm happy with the final results. I just wanna say thank you if you stay until the end of the video. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.